Hey everybody, it's Rolling a Reel from Complete Trader Academy again with another daily review. Today is Thursday, November 3rd, 2022. Let's hop right into it here. This is the daily candle here. So we opened up, went up a little bit, came down, came back up, and settled. All right, so our objectives were to seek lower prices. We were looking for a retracement. We didn't get that too much, but we did hit an objective and a great reaction off that objective. We have that imbalance sitting here on the daily, and it technically smacked it. It didn't touch it exactly. See that empty space right there? So I know we're coming down to grab that. Pretty much it's going to be equal lows with this. So clean money sitting here. We're going to come down and take that objective of this, and then probably come and take this. And then the next objective is coming down here. Let me hop into a smaller time frame. All right, so here's the 15. All right, so you can see this here. Price opened up, took out these lows. Was it the low of that day? Yeah. So we took out the low of Wednesday, came up, took out the high of the open, coming down, was coming down all day. I took a loss here trying to catch it, trying to catch this. Then I had to wait for a more higher objective or price action. So we took out this low here. This is the 15-minute, by the way. So came down aggressively. Then we tapped that imbalance on the daily here, and then we took off. So that's what I was looking for. And then I was trying to take out these highs, and really I was trying to come up to this area here. We got this imbalance here. We got the break from here. We have this supply block here. So a lot of confluence in this area. And let me go into a smaller time frame, 1 minute here. So here's how the day went. And look at the time of the day. That's a big deal too. So price is playing around, taking out highs, taking out lows. Came out, look what the time is, 9:52. Now this is generally, it doesn't take this long for, you know, the real move to happen, but at 10 o'clock, which is that 4-hour candle, you will see a reversal, very common around the 10-hour. So of Eastern time. So I got caught up here, and then I gave up, said I just waited for something else because I didn't take the sell. And then price came down, price spiked up, took out these highs, right? Came down. Let me open it up. So see, the price came down, took out, came down. See this price right here? Price opened up here, came down, came up, came down, came up, broke here. Came down. I was going to enter here, but I wanted some more confirmation. So price came up, came down, came up, broke here, came down. So we have an imbalance here on the 1 minute. I decided to take that at the high of the imbalance, which is in here, smack the price, put the stop loss below the lowest of the candle that started the imbalance, and then price took off. Price came up, came back in the demand block, could have been a buyer here. Price came up, came back down, came into this block here. See that? Could have been or you could even tapped it from here, and could have been a buyer. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Price came up, came back down. Where to come in? Filled the imbalance, got into this block here. Could have been a buyer. Price was really lethargic today though. So price came up, came down, high, low, high, low, high, low. Now I was trying to take it to these higher objectives here. And then once we got right here, see this area here, we had a bunch of liquidity sitting here. Okay. We had a block here. I know it's minuscule, but I thought I was going to at least tap right here, but it didn't. And I knew I was going to see a reaction there. So price came down heavy. I was going to give it another chance. And then price came back up. And then it started coming down. Once it did this, once it broke here like this, I was out. I said, I ain't got time for this. I ain't waiting for this. Sure enough, look what happened. Down, up, down, and now we never even saw this level again. So, you know, I was again hoping to get up here. Let me go to 5 minute. I was hoping to get up here, but just we're looking for lower prices. We're looking for sells, and we got news tomorrow. So I'm trying to be in and out until I see what the news does or sets up, right? So, I mean, price can do this, come up into this area here, clean out. So now we're getting sort of more money stacked up here, more liquidity. So I wouldn't be surprised we see that spike up into this area. Let me go into the daily. And we settled here. So see this high right here for this today's day? Well, when we open up here, it's easy to take out that high, come into this imbalance. So now we have an imbalance. So I'm going to draw for you guys. And what this does is it shows you that we have some area to deal with before going down. We don't have to, of course it can wait. All right, but now we have this imbalance here. So when the price opens up, we have plenty of reason to come up here and tap this line, get into here, maybe 50% of it, maybe of this candle, 50%. That's why I got this green line right there. Or just literally come up and close, which will be the previous day, which this is Tuesday's low. We're going to reach up to Tuesday's low, or we might even get up into here. I don't know what the news being, non-farm payroll, anything's possible. So, you know, this is a very good area to watch out for right here. How I can smack this open or get into this candle, this rejection block, this supply block candle right here. I don't see it tapping here. If it does, that's wild. But if, you know, in general, we're looking for a retrace. So A, B, C. Where's C? Right? So I'm assuming that we're going to come up in here somewhere and then take prices lower for the next leg. We'll see. All right. Hope this helps. Take care. God bless.